His days normally consist of teaching, helping students with FFA projects, spending time with his family, and welding. No matter how busy he is, he always makes time for church on Sundays. He is dedicated to God and his family. When working with his students, he's serious and dedicated, but when necessary, his humor can quickly lighten the mood. He definitely is a kid at heart, but will set you straight in a heartbeat if needed. He shares plenty of wisdom and never runs out of stories to tell. With him, trips in the ag truck are always interesting. But one thing that I admire the most about him is his work ethic. He's passionate about what he does. He works hard and never quits until the job gets done. This is what my ag teacher, Brad Kreiner, has meant to me.